How to install and use WeChat. Now, the first thing you want to do is you actually want to go to the App Store if you already do not have the WeChat app, and you just want to go to the search bar and just type in WeChat. And as you can see, when I search this, it will be likely the first result. It's the green one with 2 text bubbles on it, and you just want to download it. As you can see, I already have it, so I'm just going to go open it. Then it will bring you to a page like so. You just want to create a new account. How you do this is you enter in your mobile phone number, and you click on accept and continue. And it may ask for an SMS verification code. All you do is click accept and continue. But once you've successfully created an account, your page will look something like this, except without any context like I have here. Then from here, how you actually add contacts is in the top right hand corner. You click on the plus option. You can click on the add contacts option, and you can invite friends or they can invite you the same way. It's basically just a messaging app. You can just click on anyone's name and actually just type in anything. And if we actually go back to this page, we can actually go to the me option, click on services, and you can actually spend money on this app, but just by clicking on the money option, you can add your card. And that in a nutshell is how you use the WeChat app.